Interdisciplinary Studies is a non-traditional bachelor's degree program for this very non-traditional university, GovState University. Interdisciplinary Studies can be an incredibly good major for students who are finding that they're not fitting into any of the existing boxes.
It caters to a variety of students, not just traditionally aged undergraduates, but adult students who maybe are already in a career and looking for that promotion or that bump in a paycheck or getting that degree to meet a requirement, but also to adults who perhaps were in school and then decided to leave and now want to come back.
Students learn from each other. They gain from each other, from those varied classmates who they have almost nothing in common with them in the first day of class, and by the end of the course, by the end of the program, they've established collaborators, they've established friendships, they've established all those kinds of things in the business world.
This specific program is for you, right? This specific program is for you and your individual needs, not a one-size-fits-all program. So truly, this major is for creative and ambitious thinkers who want to approach education in a way that fits them.
GovState has a collection of faculty that range from philosophers to multimedia artists to writers to entrepreneurs. So the students learn from these faculty who have skills, knowledge, and attitude and angle that is not cut and paste, but it gives them, when they're in the program and then when they're going through the classes, it gives them a really well-balanced experience at GovState.
The culture here at GovState is warm, it's inviting, and there's definitely no expectation that to be a part of this family, to be a part of this community, you gotta be one way in particular. In fact, the diversity within our community, the diversity within our university is genuinely what makes it warm and what makes it inviting to all of us.